So welcome back to the brand new video. This video is gonna get kind of boring because we have already done all of that what we have done before. Basically, Wireshark is a tool which you will be using to actually the main purpose, which I'm thinking it's gonna be using this for, would be to filter out results. Okay, so basically this is not a hacking tool. This is actually people use it to keep an eye of something illegal being happening in the network. Basically, it has a log of all the network traffic activity in your network. Basically, Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer designed to help network administrators to keep a track of what is happening in their network. What does it do? Lags packets that flows through the selected interface and analyze all the packets. When we are the man in the middle, Wireshark can be used to sniff and analyze traffic sent or received by the targets. So, okay, this line is important because generally, if you go and open terminal, search bar in your Kali machine and search for Wireshark, or simply go to terminal and type Wireshark. This is what opens up. This error on the screen is actually a normal error. It's okay. You can ignore it by pressing OK. And what was I saying? Yeah. So generally, you can see it's zero. Is our connection is exactly like constant. It's like flat. It's like no activity in it. So you can see. So we go on our Kali machine only and try to run something. So after that, what would happen is basically you're gonna see some spikes in this. But when you open a Google Chrome or some other this kind of a browser in the virtual machine, or like this machine which is connected in the same network, but we have not done the man in the middle attack yet, so it will not show any activity. So basically, let's come back to the main slide. So it will analyze your network only, like whatever data is flowing through your network. How is it important? You can become man in the middle and your data will start flowing from other computer to your computer. So that's all, right? So you'll be able to capture data. That's all. So what we'll be doing, we'll open Kali Linux and we'll just run this beta cap, and after that we'll go back to the browser and try searching google.com or anything, and this thing will be you can see the graph going up and down. Basically that easy, that boring. Yeah, that easy, that boring. For real, that boring. Anyway, I've already opened things up for you. Okay, so you can search for Wireshark here. Oh, crazy looking Wireshark, but we'll not open it from there. We'll open it from here. You can open it both ways. Wireshark. You press tap, and it will just tap. Press enter. Okay, we didn't see any error. That's crazy. But I wanted to see. So it's zero. You can see there is no activity in it. Zero, right? So start capturing. Okay. Stop capturing. Okay. What is this? I didn't expected this. Just to, by the way, what was I saying? Um, okay, hopefully this will act as a graph. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying. Let's change the view or something, bro. Full screen, resize columns. Hmm. Statistics, flow graph. What is this graph? I don't know. This is a very complex tool. Okay, it zero has some activity, is having some activity, but generally there will be no activity. Let me just show you. If you go in here and just try searching for something, let's say google.com, Google. So you can see the activity has changed in there. Go google.com further, so you can see the activity is growing further. But you know what, if we close it, so let us just let it just calm down and again start going flat. As you can see, it starts going flat. So what we'll do here, we'll open this window system, which is also connected. Both of them are connected to the same network. That is my, you know what, right, my hotspot. So right now we're gonna go here and do google.com. So when you do google.com and you try typing shit, nothing happens. You know, no activity. By now it should should have shown some activity. That's showing because as if I do ARP, I forgot the full form, CMD first, and then ARP-A, as you can see, both are it's not man in the middle attack is not perform on the system. So we'll simply go back in here and we'll make it further small, and we're gonna just open this in a sidebar and just run the entire spoof thing. Now if you run it, and you can see, okay, it's still not activated, I guess. So you can see that the man in the middle attack has performed successfully because both the physical address, the gateway, and the device connected to it has the same MAC address. So basically data is flowing through this computer, this virtual machine, Windows machine, to this Kali machine. Anyway, so you know what, right now, let's just make it full screen, this thing full screen. And you see so many things are happening right now. But we want a spark like this, want a spark like this. So what we'll do, we'll just go here. Let's get rid of everything already present in it. Okay. If you type in google.com, you can see the spark is going crazy, going more crazy. So it is able to now capture the traffic coming from this device as well, right? As you can see, let's search for searching nothing, like anything. So you can see the graph is changing drastically. You know what we can do right now? We can just simply shut this system down, and let's see what is. I just power it, shut down guest. So you can see it has already stopped. So it's almost there. It's almost stopping. So this, okay, I stopped, and it will just go flat from now because there is no activity. It's literally zero activity. Um, let's just stop this. I guess let's exit this and let's clear this. Exit. So as you can see, it must by now it must have gone flat. Yeah, it has gone flat. Now this is our tool, and we'll capture and sniff and do bullshit. So I'll catch you up later in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe, keep hacking, and keep hacking.